Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Nothing brings the fun and energy faster to a party than having an amazing set of disco lights. I got a 3-pack from NEQUARE, and they were absolutely perfect at a friend's son's graduation party recently. Not only did we use them on the dance floor to really get people into it and out there and enjoying themselves, but we also use them over on the food table to really bring some life and sparkle to an otherwise kind of dead corner. These are so cool because not only do they have strobe lights, but there's lots of different colors and settings to choose from, and you can sync them to music. It is just incredible to have these, and they really add all the flavor that you need for your next party. These come with brackets that attach on the side of the lights, and that made it so cool because we could actually make like a cluster of disco lights using the little screws that came with it too. These are lightweight, good quality, and they're really bright. These are a must for your next party, and that's my point of view.